Massage may be categorized into 7 categories, describe which pretty much cover the field of massage at the present moment. Each of these types of massage attracts its own type of client and requires its own set of skills on the part of the practitioner. Relaxation or stress reduction massage. The most common kind of massage, relaxation or stress reduction massage, includes the types of treatments common in resorts, spas, private offices, and clients' homes. This category would also include wellness massage or preventive health massage. Sports massage. This rapidly growing field encompasses athletic training massage and massage designed to help an athlete prepare for competition and recover from competing. Medical massage. Working by prescription or in a hospital or in a physical therapist's office, the medical massage therapist works with pathologies, pain, or recovery from injury. Medical massage can also be adapted to a non-medical clientele and practiced in a home setting. Chiropractic adjunct massage. Working in chiropractors' offices is becoming more and more common. Some practitioners operate relatively independently from the chiropractor with a cross-referral agreement. Others work by prescription of the chiropractor, working on specific parts of the body that the chiropractor designates. Transformational or psychotherapeutic massage. Some massage therapies focus on the shifts in awareness and psychological insight that can be brought about with massage. These therapies often work by referral from psychotherapists. They often combine another form of bodywork with massage. Pampering. Probably a branch of relaxation massage. Pampering refers to the type of treatment that might be found in some spa and hair salons. This treatment is usually thought of as more of a beautification treatment than a health treatment and might include salt blows, loofah rubs, and light Swedish massage. Chair massage. Massage or shatsu done with clothing on, client seated in any location. This can be done as an introduction to massage for clients who may not come in for an office massage or can be a continuing form of stress reduction therapy when done on a regular basis as in the office setting.